vision clear and strong, every step where I belong.